boys and girls, welcome to writing. Last week we practiced writing a story across our hands, and we're going to continue working on that this week. Now, inside of our writing notebook, we have an area of moments when we've been sad, moments when we've been happy, moments when we've been mad, and moments when we've been angry. Now, I need to choose today a new story that I want to write about. And the first story that I would like to write about, because I'm very passionate about it and I have a lot to say, is the time that my dog made me mad. My dog made me mad when he ripped the carpet. So, before I begin to write, I'm going to talk my story through my hand. Beginning, middle, and end. So in the beginning of my story, my dog makes me really angry. Now, I talked about this last week already, but I didn't write anything about it. I just practiced talking it through my hand. So this time I'm going to practice talking it through and then drawing it and then writing. Okay? So, the time my dog made me really mad was whenever he chewed up the carpet. It was my husband and my kids and we went outside to play. And we left Tucker inside because we didn't want him outside bothering us. He loves to play fetch. The next thing that happened was we were outside playing, and I ran inside to grab something, and I heard a scratching noise, and I knew something was wrong. So I ran upstairs to see what was going on, and I found Tucker pulling at the carpet on the corner. Then after that, I screamed for my husband, "The dog is ripping up the carpet! Come here!" So he ran upstairs and grabbed the dog, and in the end, we had to put Tucker into his crate because we couldn't trust him out in the house. And then we went back outside to play. So, I have talked my story through from beginning to end. My next step is to draw it out. Now, last time I noticed some of you only had 4 parts to your story. You probably could have added some more detail. I want to challenge you to have a beginning, 3 pieces for your middle, and 1 for your end. That would be 5 sentences. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my writing notebook, and I am going to get my notebook out. I'm going to flip through. Here's my heart map. Here's the story I worked on last week. And there's my spelling. And I'm going to turn to the next clean page. On this page right here, I'm going to begin drawing my story out. Now I need to write today's date, August 24th. Right? And I need to think about what it is I just said. I need to have 5 pieces. So, if you want to do it this way, you can. I just need you to make sure you have 5 pieces. Some of you just drew a bunch of pictures. You have got to make sure that you're piecing out all the different parts. Now, I like, again, to say organized. So, I'm going to say this is the first picture. Here's my second picture. I'm just skipping a few lines. I'm drawing on the line. My third picture, my 4th picture, and my 5th picture will go on the back. So the first thing I said that happened, I got to think about my intro. So it's me and my husband and my little girl and my little boy. And we're outside playing, right? We're outside playing. It doesn't have to be too detailed. We're outside playing. So I'm going to draw that we're in the grass, playing outside, hanging out, maybe drawing chalk, blowing bubbles. There's lots of things we could be doing, right? We are outside. The second thing that happens is I run inside. So I'm going inside the house. Here's the door to the house. I'm going inside the house, right? And then inside the house, so I'm going to pretend like this is the house on the inside. The inside of the house, I'm going to draw a picture of my dog Tucker, right? I'm going to draw his fluffy ear. So inside my dog, I'm going inside to grab something, right? So I'm going inside. Here's my dog Tucker. Once I get inside, I hear something, and I see, so I'm going to draw a picture. It was in the living room. So here is my couch and my other couch. And then right here is where there's hardwood. This is hardwood, so I'm going to draw my hardwood. And then here's where the carpet is. And here's, I'm going to draw Tucker chewing up the carpet. Right? Here it is. It's all chewed up. And I'm going to draw a picture of me walking in. And I have an angry look on my face because I am not happy, right? So then I am yelling. I yell for my husband, and my husband comes up and he sees what the dog has done. And now he's angry too. So here's my husband, and here is me, and here's the dog that's got carpet everywhere. The bad dog. So we're angry, right? It's the time I was angry. Now don't forget, this is a time that I was angry. Your story, you might not be angry. You have to decide what story you want to write. So we're angry, and he has to go in his crate. We're going to draw, pretend like he's in his cage so that he doesn't get out of his cage. All right. My last picture, I'm going to have to go on the back of the sheet I was on. The last picture, he's in his crate, and we go back outside. So we go back outside to play. Here's me. I feel a little bit better. Here's my husband. And our kids. Maddie and Emmett. Right? And then I'm going to say over here inside the house, inside our house, is Tucker in his crate. Because he was being a bad dog. Alright, so I drew my pictures out to make sure I have a beginning, I have my 3 middle pieces, and I have my end. Okay, so I've drawn all 5 pictures. So make sure you have all 5 pictures. Okay, I want you to do this part on your own. Then we're going to come together and we're going to practice writing our sentences. So come back to me. I want you to go ahead and start working on this on your own. I'm going to give you some time. And then we will start the actual writing part together. All right? I'll see you back in a moment.